Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this little makeup mirror. I really love it, guys. As you can see, it's this pretty pink heart-shaped makeup mirror that you can use to do your makeup, or you can keep it as decorations. I love keeping it as decorations. Sometimes I use like my big vanity mirror and I just keep it there because it looks super cute. It actually lights up as well, guys. Over here in the back, you actually can turn it on or turn it off. So right now I have it on, and all you have to do is just press this little button here. But it's super cute. It lights up very nicely, and the batteries that it uses, it has the small batteries. Let me see if I can take this out. So as you can see, guys, it uses the small batteries. I really love the little tray also because you can keep your makeup here while you're using the mirror or while you're doing your makeup. So I really like that. It's also flexible, so you can actually like move it around and adjust it. It's just a super cute makeup mirror, guys. It's a great gift, especially now that the holidays are coming up. I would definitely recommend it.